Being a responsible business is one of those delicious win-win situations. The things you do that benefit the people and places around you can in turn have a really positive impact on your business. So what do we mean by a positive impact? Well, how does saving money and increasing your turnover sound to you? And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Start looking a bit closer at your workplace, marketplace, community and environment, and you'll soon see where you can make some changes. So, let's start. Workplace. Have you got a happy, motivated, productive workforce? You'll find that if you look after them, they'll want to work harder for you. They are your number one asset, so try to find ways to involve them. Talk to them, listen, and think about training and other ways to help your staff feel valued by your business. Marketplace. Take some time to look into your supply chain. Your reputation could be damaged if you're associated with a bad supplier. Treat them well, and above all, pay them on time. A good relationship with your supplier will give you a greater chance of negotiating a better price. Community. Get involved in your local community through volunteering and sponsoring good causes. Not only will it make your staff feel good and give you the feel-good factor, but it will improve your reputation and get you some free publicity and potentially new customers in the process. Environment. Just doing little things like switching lights and equipment off when not in use, printing double-sided, and fixing leaky taps will save you energy and money too. But make sure you get your staff on board, as they're the ones in the driving seat and they can make a real difference. These are just a few ideas of what you can do. Check the Responsible Business tool and get some more tips. The more you do, the better it gets. So what have you got to lose? Get out there, spread the word, and be responsible.